Tails.
Tails is the call for
Sword.
Heads.
action. Let's rock and roll. That first delivery from Akshay, treated with confidence by. Oh, this is exactly what he was on the lookout for very early in the match. In the very first over of the match, that scoop shot coming from the armory of Sushruth Nasnodkar. That is a little surprising, but so well executed, and that fetches him a boundary. The score for Alliance Cricket Club at the end of the first over is. Oh, that wasn't too away from the man in that mid-on position, just a little over him. That's Mahesh. So what a warm welcome to the crease for Pramod Chandan. Good evening. He likes to play strokes right from the word go. And that time was a loose delivery and gets the treatment that it deserved. That was the loosener, and not such an auspicious start for Pramod Chandan. This game is a great leveler. He was in terrific form the other night. Early days in his spell, he's got to refocus, he's got to regather. Oh, what a terrific effort there. Just look at the deft touch. The traditional glance shot, which is almost a rarity these days. He pulled it off very sweetly. Exquisite timing on that one. The moment it was. What a shot. Nobody moved an inch. Everybody just watching that ball go past them into the boundary fence. What a terrific shot. The moment it went past Akshay Borkar, it was always going to be a boundary. Very minimum effort. The whole emphasis from Sushruth was on the timing, not looking to hit the ball extra hard. Just putting bat to ball, making sure that the head is absolutely still and just. That was a faster one. Maybe Nishant was kind of expecting that kind of a shot from Sushruth Nasnodkar. Two men have given the ball a chase. But that is in vain. The ball has enough gas on it to go over the boundary rope. A streaky boundary, not intentional, but welcome runs for Alliance Cricket Club. The 50. Clean bolt. Looking to essay a reverse shot. Is on his way back to the pavilion. Being clean bolt. The new man in Himanshu. Departing from the center pitch is Sushruth, and arriving at the wicket is Himanshu. In fact, it is exquisite timing on that one. Although he made a dash for it, the fielder could not get around it. So one more boundary. Runs coming in thick and fast. They get into the 90s Alliance Cricket Club in the quickest of time. As Alliance Cricket Club open the campaign. Deven Dhruva. When he connected that shot, never thought that it was going to be a boundary that went into the gap. So with that boundary, the score after 10 overs, 97 for 1. 3 overs still left in his spell. He gets the desired elevation. It goes into the gap and it goes a couple of bounces into the boundary fence. Runs coming in thick and fast. Even Dhruv now joining the party. The score after 11 overs, 109. If anybody could have got near the ball, or if anybody could have managed to get a hand on it, it had to be Pramod Chandan. He gets a hand to it, but that was too far away from him. You wouldn't even call it a half chance. The second boundary on the tick of the switch. What a super shot. Everybody inside the cordon on the offside, nobody in the deep. One more boundary. It's raining boundaries here for Alliance Cricket Club. No ways that Pramod Chandan would have dropped that catch. No ways. The left-handed Deven Dhruva, after that cameo of 22 runs of 12 balls, is on his way back to the pavilion. As he departs from the center stage, Himanshu walks in. The situation is ideal for somebody as good as Himanshu to go out and play the natural game. The conditions are very conducive for batting. With the ball nicely drifting down the leg side, maybe that intention was to fire that full length delivery into the pads. 5 wide runs now being credited to the tally of Alliance Cricket Club. Runs coming in thick and fast. They got to... What a shot. A super timing, and just look at the spot that he picked up. One more boundary. At the moment, looks like there is no stopping the Alliance Cricket Club. Too short, that is easy, mate. You cannot be bowling to Himanshu in that area. He will murder you. Way too short, Prashant. Dr. Manan Gandhi. The finger goes up after some thought. He raises the finger. On his way back to the pavilion is Himanshu. After a quick fire 17 of 13 balls, with the help of 1 boundary and 1 6, is on his way back. The third wicket having fallen for team Alliance Cricket Club. You got to be in a relentless pursuit of your goals. You got to be very positive at all times. You got... The finger goes up. That was looking on the cards. On his way back to the pavilion is Manan. After that fantastic knock, he will come back to a standing ovation. Antique friends will be more than happy to see the back of the rampaging Manan Gandhi, and to replace Manan, it's going to be Sahil. Exactly what they wanted. The big fish gone. To drive home the team. And just look at the subtle wrists coming into play. Minimum effort and a premium result. What a way to get off the mark. Time and again he was looking to play that shot, and he connects so well this time. That shot comes good at last after a couple of attempts. But that boundary, the score now on to clean bolt. Half the team back in the pavilion for Alliance Cricket Club, but they have posted a mammoth 172 runs. At one point in time, it looked like the Alliance Cricket Club will go up to more than 100, but kind of a mini comeback for team Antique Friends. And if they can stop this team from scoring 190 runs, I'm sure that Antique Friends will back themselves to go after the total, to go after the target. Oh, he concedes the boundary of the very last ball of the over. In fact, 5 wides. Important runs are being accumulated here. With this kind of military stuff from Pramod Chandan, it's going to be difficult for the batters to put him out of the ground. The finger goes up. One more wicket in the form of a run out. 182. 182 for 6. What a shot. Just look at the way he got stuck into that one. Gets a delay. Gets a required elevation and the desired result. 190 on the board. 191 runs to win the match as the team Antique Friends come back to chase down the total. Winning the toss, opting to bat first. That's a fantastic. Their hearts in the mouth. Oh, that is well played. Deft touch. That has kept the man interested, but the ball wins the race. That boundary takes the score to 7. One ball left in the opening over. The bulk of the scoring at the start. That's a terrific shot from Biani. All along the ground, the fielder has given up the chase quite early. Getting to the pitch of the delivery, almost to the pitch, if not exactly there, and going through with his shot. All along the batsman into a 6s and 7s position. That's well played. Nobody in that area. That will go crashing into the boundary fence. No need to run for that one. One more boundary in this second over to take the score to 19 for none at the end of 2 overs. 19 runs at the end of 2 overs. That's a good start. A breezy start here for the ball has kept 2 men interested. The timing not right up there. Maybe the ball will hold up. Oh, that's a good bit of work. We'll have to wait and watch. In fact, it's been given a boundary. That boundary takes the score to 26. So off to a meaningful start. Definitely, they are playing with a purpose. That kind of a start will instill some kind of confidence into the camp of team Antique Friends. This time there will be no doubt. Maybe we'll have to wait and watch. No chances on that occasion. That's played with some authority. He's taking the seam bowlers on, and the kind of pace that this man is generating, that is the pace which is exactly going to be relished by Viral Somaya, and you are making with that opening partnership. No need to run for that one, in fact. One more boundary. They are picking up the boundaries at regular intervals. What a start, exciting start. This is now looking like a turbocharged match. Nodkar with his leg spinning deliveries. Oh, he picks up a wicket with a very first delivery. A soft dismissal for Mayur Biyani. That was the rank bad delivery. In fact, it wasn't a wicket taking delivery. That was pitched halfway down the wicket. Not such good timing. He once again that same kind of a shot, but this time the desired result. One bounce crashing into the fence. That's very well timed. Viral Somaya is the kind of aggressive batter who will assigned to him as well. Once again, very well played. He read the wrong one quite early, and this time into the vacant fine leg area for a boundary. Sushruth will have to bowl those fuller length deliveries. He's pitching it to the finger goes up. Now that is the big fish in the net, shuffling into the stumps even before the ball could come out of the hands of Abhishek Singh, and he finds himself absolutely in the front of the wicket. Now that wicket of Viral Somaya could have a big ramification on the result of the match. Quite the big fish gone. They will be more than happy to see the back of this man. Oh, what a smart shot. What a smart shot. Sachin Jadhavar at his very best. The man of the match award winner the last night. An innings of 70 plus from Sachin Jadhavar, and also a good ball. At the same time, the very good deliveries have to be given the due respect. This could be one more wicket gone, and yes, it is. The third wicket falls. This time the wicket to the credit of Abhishek Singh. The second wicket being picked up by Abhishek. Sushruth has picked up one. So the spoilers being the slow bowlers. Now that is one more big wicket. Sachin Jadhavar back into the pavilion, and in comes Pramod Chandan to take his place. Oh, that could have been a chance. Was a very difficult one. That goes into the boundary fence. Oh, what a terrific timing. What a shot. And that will have to be the shot of the evening. A slog sweep, but just look at the immaculate way he's executed that shot. That really traveled like a tracer bullet. What a way to get started in the post-rings interval. That delivery getting the treatment that it deserved. He breaks the shackles at last to score that spanking boundary, Maninder Singh. With that boundary, the score now on to 89. Oh, what a delivery. Not only did it beat the batsman, but also beat the wicketkeeper and will result in 4 byes. The score on to 94. What is Seema? deliveries, and that is going away into that fine leg fence. That is off the bat. 100 runs up on the board. Extent. Although they've got at least another 2 or 3 good batters in the lineup, but this batting pair will hold the key. A bit of a fumble that will result in a boundary, where there should have been only 2 runs, 2 extra runs given away. Welcome boundary for Antique Friends. That boundary takes the score to 104. Looking to walk into that shot. Good timing on it, and he was in an awkward position, but somehow managed to put the ball a little far away from the man in that mid-wicket area to fetch himself and the team a boundary. They'll have to keep scoring. That momentum cannot be carried for 7 to 8 overs. A very refreshing approach from Pramod Chandan. He was mighty impressive the other night with the ball and in the outfield as well for the sometime structure in Mumbai. Oh, the finger has gone up. The finger goes up. That dejected and a long walk back to the pavilion. The well set Maninder Singh is back in the pavilion. He's been given a leg before wicket. What a shot! What a shot! One bounce into the commentary box. That was the half volley and he got stuck into that one. He's got a big reach, as I always keep mentioning. Oh, that is once again very nicely played. The second boundary on the trot is taking on Sahil Shah. This is a battle worth watching, Pramod Chandan and Sahil Shah. To come in around the wicket. The back of length, the delivery, punching it away. That is a hat-trick of boundaries. It's looking sizzling hot at the moment. Pramod Chandan, can he continue in the same vein to take the team to the doorstep of a magnificent victory? Just a oh, super shot! Oh my word, that is unbelievable. It's got that magic dust around him. It's got that elevator pitch around him. Till the time this man is at the wicket, Sushrut and his team cannot breathe freely from Pramod Chandan. Watching the batsman step out, he cut short the length, and that's an absolute suicide. Slow to respond, and they get that big wicket of Prashant Panchal. Almost sacrificed his wicket for Pramod Chandan, and that was the right thinking. The 15.3 overs, 148 for 4. Oh, now that is a big fish in the net. Now that could be the turning point. That could be the game changer. That very good knock comes to an abrupt end. The pressure was mounting and he succumbs to the pressure. But he really, for the time that he stayed at the wicket, he gave his team a wonderful chance to get near the winning post. A very fighting knock comes to an end. All of a sudden, there is a sense of quietness in the camp of team. Andic Friends. All of a sudden, they have gone cold out there. He cleans them up. One more wicket down, wicket number 7. On his way back to the pavilion is Chinmay. Arriving at the wicket is Nishant Patankar. They're writing on the wall. They are into the coffin corner now. That is a team Andic Friends, absolutely in the coffin corner. One more man bites the bullet. Eight wickets down. Just going to the formalities now. They've totally drifted away after the fall of Pramod Chandan's wicket. That wicket of Manindra and then the wicket of Pramod Chandan. Stakes of Alliance Cricket Club is concerned Ravi Kapoor, Sahil Shah and Sushruth Nasnodkar. The sponsor for Alliance Cricket Club, Creative Maritime. So 9 wickets down. They do not want to be all out. After that, immediately in good time, even Pramod Chandan got out, and that was the end of the fight back from the Andic Friends. And 1 run out. So he was everywhere. So well done, Team Alliance Cricket Club opening their